so for me, I really like the full coverage look, so I'm going to go in with the Lancome Ultra Wear. This is 160 Ivory Warm. And yeah, it's gonna, little dime size, probably enough for the whole face. So just blending that, really just making sure it's like coated well. I got this new beauty light, so it's kind of making me see everything that I need to be covering more than often. And okay, that looks pretty good. Next, I like to go in with brows. I'm gonna take the Kiss New York Top Brow, as always in chocolate. Take a spoolie and comb them through. Like these lip gloss, the little roll ones. I miss them so much, so I ordered some on eBay. This one's in watermelon. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got a whole pack of them. There's like different scents. There's like grape, cherry, peach, apple, and the lip glosses. I can't find them anywhere. I know like some like smaller like beauty stores like would carry them, but I'm pretty sure they get wiped out because they're just that good. I'm gonna go ahead and forward the brows because I feel like I take forever on brows. Okay, so next, after I kind of got the shape that I'm going for, I go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and carve them out. And just kind of apply it there. I feel like the brows always take the longest. Comment down below what takes the longest for you guys. So after that, I'll go ahead and prime. I got a text message. Elf eyeshadow primer in sheer. What is this? The Wet n Wild one? I didn't even know they had one. This is the Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, and then this is just the Elf sheer one. So I think I'm just gonna go with the Elf one because it has the applicator, and the other one doesn't. It's just like a squeeze tube bottle. Anyways, so we're going to be using the JawBreaker palette. Of course, you guys have probably seen it everywhere, and it's such a beautiful palette. Like when I received this, I was just like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe I own this, and I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored, but Jeffree Star wants to sponsor me, that'd be great. This is what it looks like. My chair's still squeaky. And when you open it up, got this big mirror, like that's hello. And we got these beautiful shades. I use it on my birthday because I just had to. It was like a birthday gift to myself. So we have
Virgin, good morning, bubblegum, wow, stuck, licorice, cute, fuck, gumdrop, snack, brain freeze, jawbreaker, and what? Orange juice, sour, soaked raspberry, cotton candy, lemon drop, bite me, cherry wet, tasty, cone, and delicious.
Super cute. Like the whole scheme of the palette is like you can really do so much with it. Play with some color. I'm gonna go in with this just to set the concealer that we just put on. I don't know if y'all can see that. I think I'm gonna go for a blue look, obviously. So I'm gonna go in with cone right here. So grab a little of cone. I have a mirror here and I'm like struggling to use this mirror. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna place it in the crease. I feel like I'm talking way too much. This is why I don't do talk throughs, because I just get so distracted. Also taking it up into the brow bone. I really can't wait till the winter. Like, I'm over summer. I hate the summer. It just never goes well for me. Every August I'm like, something always happens. And I don't want to bore you with life details, but just the way it is. You gotta keep going and just hope for the best, you know? Always. Yeah, my birthday was August 4th. I turned 25. The letters are like coming off of it. I'm not a professional. I think that I'm a beauty guru, but I'm not. Show you guys like the products that I'm using in case any of you guys want to pick them up, you know? I've had this in my collection for so long. I love this brush. Just kind of blending it more, just give it a more softer look to it. I got this brush from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute. It's like a little mermaid. It was only $1. I thought it was pretty cute. So I'm going to go in with the color Tasty right there and put that in the outer corner just to give it some definition. Wow, that's like really pigmented on the brush. I've been taking it to the lash line a little bit. Wow, I really like that brown. It's really pretty. Doing the same to this eye. Grabbing that same concealer, the Shape Tape. And I'm going to, gotta get close to my mirror here. Cut creases are a little tricky sometimes, but we're gonna go for it. So what I like to do is place it there. Just gonna tap, tap, tap. Push it up, like right here. That's where I use as a guide, kind of like your eyelid right there. I feel like I haven't done a cut crease in a long time, so I'm really interested to see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, and we're gonna just place that color there. Make sure you're covering all that concealer with this color. Intensifying it, so I'm going back in with the shadows and kind of just building it up just so it has that vibrancy and like that saturation. These colors are bright. They are neon for sure. Kind of blend over it. I have this e.l.f. kind of cream eyeliner, so we're going to use that. This is in Coffee. Just any angle brush and dip into it. The lash line. It's kind of pat. And I'm gonna do the eyeliner on this side. Pretty much keep it close to the lash line. I think that the brown will be softer rather than having like some eyeliner, like a liquid eyeliner. So yeah. Then I'm gonna add some lashes on and finish up the face. The Duo glue. I always pour too much on them. I wasn't even recording. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's good. Ciate London Extraordinary translucent powder. I don't know. It looks like this. I got it in the FabFitFun box. And yeah, kind of just keep the under eye bright. And this is an e.l.f. sponge. I got this little round one. I put concealer, I don't know if it filmed the last part. I put concealer and pretty much blended it out with this one because it has that end, and then I get this flat one to kind of set under there, and it keeps that concealer set. It ain't going nowhere. Sheer tint. This is in light medium, and it's just so it warms up the face a little bit. Get this brush, and I just kind of pat it in there. The Jeffree Star makeup bag, like look at how cute. I love her, and it feels so much makeup in there. I kind of keep all the high-end makeup that I like in there. Bone brush, this is a 137. Really good for kind of getting in that contour area. This is the pressed bronzing powder in Almond. Really like this one. Make this cute face. And get right in the cheekbone. I pat first, and then I kind of chisel. With a light pinky kind of blush. This one's pretty cute. I have this Milani baked blush. This is in Rosa Romantica. Super cute. I don't know if the autofocus is that well on this camera, but I hope y'all can see the products for the most part. Going in with this like Farah brush. I'm just gonna lightly dust the cheeks. A little bit more pink, so I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics Professional Blush 10 color palette. I'm gonna go in with this probably like a little pinky color. Sponge again and pick up the Fit Me powder. I know this looks really crazy, but it's just to kind of carve out that contour we did and make it look a little bit more put together. And I'm gonna go back in with the palette and dip into Brain Freeze, that baby blue. We're gonna put it right there. Blue soaked color. Put that on the outer. Look at me just holding it like a big sip. Go and do like a gold highlighter. So this is the Golden Flower Crown. Looks like this. Dip it in there and apply right there on the tops of your cheeks. Super cute. And then I'm gonna use like a lip scrub because I feel like with the liquid lipsticks you have to use a lip scrub. So this is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout in Watermelon, almost down to the bottom of this one. If y'all have seen my previous videos, you know that I've used it in there as well. Y'all real ones for that one if y'all seen the old video. This is gonna make a mess. It smells so good and tastes good too. I just like to wipe off that contour. I mean, not the contour, the bake that lightened the contour a bit. And I'm gonna use the Mannequin. Super cute, like packaging. Shake well before use. Really pretty nude color. I feel like it would go perfectly with this look. So, how do you shake it? Do you like... apply. It smells minty. It smells so good. So overall, I think the eyeshadow palette was my favorite thing because there's just so many colors, like there's so much you can do, and this is just what I came up with. And if you guys like this video, then of course give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Just a random channel, honestly, just whatever goes. I can't wait to create even more looks for you guys. Thank you for keeping up with me if you do watch the videos, and for being patient because I know I don't upload as much as I should, and now that I have a better camera setup, that's bound to change. So yeah. So I really like the look, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna go play some more video games, probably go get something to eat, but at least I look cute while doing it. Like